Welcome to a new chapter in luxury travel, where engineering meets art and adventure meets elegance. Today, we introduce you to something extraordinary, something rare. Something that looks like it escaped the imagination of a futuristic designer. This is the Bugatti motorhome, a masterpiece crafted for those who believe travel should feel like owning the road. It's not just driving on it. From the moment you see it, the Bugatti motorhome does more than impress. It overwhelms your senses. The deep, glossy red body shines like molten metal, reflecting light in a way only high-tier supercars can. Every curve, every line, and every detail has been sculpted with precision. It doesn't simply look aerodynamic, it looks alive. The front end is pure Bugatti DNA. It combines the aggression of a hypercar with the grace of a luxury cruiser. Long flowing lines stretch from the nose, wrapping around the headlights like the wings of a jet. The grille has that signature vertical stance, bold and confident, giving the entire vehicle a supercar personality on a massive scale. It doesn't matter where you take this motorhome, every head will turn and every camera will rise. And then there are the wheels. Multiple sets of chrome-finished rims spread across the body like the legs of a majestic mechanical beast. They shine with the same brilliance you expect from million-dollar supercars. And their placement gives the Bugatti motorhome an ultra-stable footprint. It's not just designed to look powerful, it's engineered to feel unstoppable, even when moving across long, open highways. Walk around it, and the design keeps getting better. The body flows like liquid metal, with sculpted shapes that resemble Bugatti's signature aerodynamic philosophy. Smooth ribbons travel from front to back, forming a pattern that makes the entire body look handcrafted. Even the windows blend seamlessly into the structure, making the side profile appear like one continuous piece of futuristic artwork. But the real magic begins when you step inside the interior of the Bugatti motorhome. Is a luxury suite on wheels. You're greeted by a lounge that feels more like the inside of a private jet than an RV. Soft ambient lighting glows along the walls, giving the entire space a warm and inviting atmosphere. Plush seating wrapped in high-grade leather invites you to sink in and relax. Every stitch, every surface, and every material screams refinement. The entertainment area takes things even further. A large smart display sits at the center of the lounge, surrounded by a premium surround sound system that turns movie nights into cinema experiences. The windows provide panoramic views, allowing you to enjoy mountain ranges, deserts, oceans, or city skylines without ever leaving the comfort of your home on wheels. Next is the kitchen, a beautifully crafted space designed not just for cooking, but for creating moments. It features modern appliances, polished countertops, a built-in refrigerator, and storage cabinets that open with smooth precision. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a full meal, the kitchen feels effortless and stylish, just like everything. Bugatti designs move toward the rear, and you arrive at the bedroom, a peaceful sanctuary built for rest and relaxation. A luxury queen-size bed sits centered under warm LED lighting. Soft textures, quiet tones, and a gentle glow make the room feel cozy and private. After long hours on the road, this is the kind of place where your body relaxes and your mind resets. The bathroom continues the same theme of elegance. You get a glass shower, modern fixtures, a premium sink, and enough space to move comfortably. Everything is designed with the feel of a high-end hotel suite. It's not just about convenience, it's about comfort, cleanliness, and confidence, no matter where your journey takes you. What makes the Bugatti motorhome so much more than a luxury vehicle is the intention behind it. This is not built for ordinary travel. It's built for people who want their presence felt everywhere they go. It's for adventurers who want to experience nature without sacrificing comfort. It's for dreamers who want the world to be both their home and their playground. Imagine arriving at a resort, a coastal viewpoint, or a mountain pass in this motorhome. People won't just notice you, they'll remember you. The Bugatti motorhome is a statement of power, style, and identity. It is committed to giving its owner a lifestyle where every journey is meaningful and every destination feels like a luxury experience. From the sculpted exterior to the warm, inviting interior. From the high-performance engineering to the handcrafted Comfort, from the bold presence to the refined details. The Bugatti motorhome is not just a way to travel, it's a way to live. Price: the Bugatti motorhome starts at $3.2 million USD.